Good evening. This is the market update for buy, sell, short for Thursday, June 5th. And we're going to start the video off today with a big kaboom, baby. SMSI trading alert today. Of course, you've been seeing all the news and the hype regarding Amazon's new 3D phone that's going to be released on June 18th. So we did some research today. Spent a lot of time this morning looking over a lot of tech companies for possible angles on the Amazon 3D phone. And look what we came across. Our little old favorite SMSI. This is a stock that we were able to identify late last year for a 100% move when we uncovered the research regarding a deal with a Silicon Valley chip maker that ended up being Intel, and that actually played a part in today's huge move because the company that actually kind of gave the story away on Amazon's new phone was Intel when they mentioned and hinted that a new phone company was going to be releasing a phone using their 3D technology. SMSI has had a secret and has secret contracts with Intel since last year to develop some technology, and SMSI has 3D software. All the research and information in the email sent out to everyone, and boy, did traders eat this one up. We alerted this stock. It was 79. The buy was 79 to 83 cents. It hit $1.16 going into the last hour. Ended up closing around $1.09 for a 36% gain on the day. Gotta love it. Like I said in the email alert, chart was ripe for a move. It just needed an excuse. We've got lots of speculation. Lots of hints out there, comments from the CEO on the conference call, deals that they have with Intel being involved with the Amazon 3D phone, and that was a recipe for a big kaboom. Members loving this one. What a nice little play. Follow through tomorrow. I mean, this could be and should be a play into June 18th. A lot of speculation. This should continue to go nicely. It exploded to the upside. Next target is the 200-day moving average at $1.34. Chart looks rocking going into that event. And it's actually for a week where we haven't been doing a whole lot. Our alerts have just been going out of the ballpark. We had NFEC on Monday, actually Tuesday, sorry. NFEC was a play on the pollution stuff going on, and the stock doubled. 100% move for us in one day. THTI, this was an alert, $1.40 under, 170 plus was the target, hit $1.69. Nice little 20% move. So there is big moves in this market. It's just a matter of being patient, not over trading, finding the story stocks, the right situation in this market, which is exactly what we do. And it has been a very nice week, and that continuation should continue over the next few days on SMSI. But anyway, let's look at the market. Kind of frustrating market. You know, you see a lot of headlines out there how this is the most hated rally of all time, and just when you think the market is going to sell off, it turns around out of the blue and whips off 100% or 100 point move. We had the market up early today, 25 points, then we were down 25 points, then we were up 25 points, then we were down 5, and then the market just decided to keep slowly trudging higher. And the story that was dominating was ECB cutting their interest rate, discount rate to a negative percent. Essentially what it is if you're a bank and you want to park your money overnight with the ECB, the equivalent of the Fed, you actually have to pay money versus making interest. The whole purpose of that is to force banks to lend versus hoarding their money. And funny enough, the euro actually gained on that news when typically you would see a currency sell off on that news, and that actually helped push the market higher, and we got another all-time high breakout on the Dow. 15-minute chart, you can see this bearish rising wedge still in place. We're consolidating at the tops, but we could see some nice follow-through on it tomorrow. Dow Transports, just to show you how weird this market has been of late. Last couple of days, we had it on Tuesday and yesterday, weakness in the Dow Transports. After this extended run, we even talked about it in the video on Tuesday, all signs pointed to both the market and the transport selling off. So what do? We printed a new intraday all-time high on the Dow Transports, and up we go again, looking like we're potentially going to break out again. Russell, remember what I said on Tuesday? Looked like we were going to break down, and again, the 200-day moving average continued to hold up. Now, the bears and the shorts have had so much ammo to hammer this market down, and they have not. And, you know, there's an old saying in trading, the more times you test resistance or support and you're unable to break it, the opposite is going to happen. And they've had ample opportunity to hammer this market down, and they just cannot. And today we just sliced through that resistance on the Russell. Maybe that June, August rally that we've been talking about in small cap stocks could be gearing up here, and it could be a powerful move because no one believes it, and those can be the most powerful upward moves you see in the market. Nasdaq, boom. You know, we're getting pretty close to negating. I mean, for all intents and purposes, we have negated the head and shoulders formation that everyone was worried about, and ourselves included, a few short weeks ago. Another few points, and it's absolutely going to be negated. Just like the Russell broke out to the upside and actually had an uptick on volume, which is a very nice confirmation of this, and looking really, really good. I mean, all those guys following that stupid adage of sell in May and go away. Like we said back in May, indice averages, especially last year, May ended up being very good. So we're seeing the same thing happen again into June of this year. Earning plays. Mad Cats. Pretty weak into the earnings report today. We were hoping to get an Amazon press release. We did not, but Mad Cats came out and busted out a break-even quarter. Quite an accomplishment for this time of the year for Mad Cats. And on the conference call, someone actually asked about Mad Cats being the controller for Fire TV, and the CEO said, "We cannot comment on private label non-disclosure agreements." That's kind of a quasi, yes, we have it, but we're not allowed to say it kind of thing. And Mad Cats, this is the first quarter, I believe, if memory serves me right, in about a year that we have not seen the stock sell off on its earnings report. That is bullish. Rock solid support at the 200-day moving average, which is 58 cents. So let's see what the next couple of days bring on this stock. Intraday play we had today was ZLCS. The biotech stocks are trying to bottom out here. ZLCS, especially if they've got an event upcoming. ZLCS, merger deal, supposed to be done this month. A lot of estimates out there that this stock is worth a hell of a lot more than what it's trading at. So definitely one to keep an eye on. Speculative money starts to flood back in. The biotech stocks, small cap tech is going to do very, very well. So it's been an awesome week for not doing a whole lot of stuff. It's just a matter of being patient, looking for the ideas, looking for the theme in the market, and doing very, very well. And this has been a very nice week. And SMSI could be a very nice mover for us over the next few days. So that's it for the video, guys. Have an awesome evening, and see you all in the chat room tomorrow. Bye.